welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, my client is getting a 1 and a 3. It's another basic haircut. You guys are going to be getting a lot of those, so you might as well learn. And that's it, guys. I saved the best for last, so make sure that you watch this video all the way through until the end to see the final result. Likes, shares, and comments are welcome because it gives the video traction so that YouTube knows to push it out, and then people watch it and they learn as well. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. All right, guys, let's begin.
All right, first things first, create the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 380 ACP by Caliber with the number 1 metal guard attached. Attach the 3 guard and keep the blade closed. This is what you're going to use for the top of the hair. The clipper I'm using here is the 357 Magnum by Caliber. Attach the 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this. Pass through the section and repeat the same step. Attach the 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach the 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, but position your clipper a little lower than you did with the last guard. When you're finished, close the blade and repeat. Attach the half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. After you've passed through the section and you still see a line, tap the lever to close the blade slightly and repeat the same step. It shouldn't take much for you to take out this line. The next step is to create the lineup. Watch closely how I do this and try to mimic this on your client. It's a lot easier to do, however, when you're not holding a camera. The next step is to clean up your work with a straight razor. Alright guys, if your basic buzz cut looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember to always stay learning, always be practicing, and always stay humble. Humility is the path to greatness. The clippers and trimmers in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.